Hello, I'm Mark McCloskey with Contronics, and welcome to our next episode of Ask the Expert, where we conquer the toughest questions we get in the field. In today's episode, we're going to conquer how does a hybrid actuator compare with my traditional hydraulic power system? And we're going to break it down for you here. So starting off, hydraulic power system essentially has a AC induction motor coupled to a pump and basically a big reservoir, and then out of that reservoir it's running at a constant pressure, say for 3,000 psi, and it's turning flow in the hydraulic fluid through hoses going out to a cylinder. There's a lot of inefficiencies with this just because of the motor loss and the power, and it's constantly running 24/7, every day, all day, creating this pressure. And then in between the hydraulic power unit going to a hydraulic cylinder, you would have servo valves or anything else turning the cylinder on and off, depending on the application and when you would like the cylinder to go to. With this system, you have hoses and couplings, which evidently lead to leaks. And then, the maintenance on replacing the fluid, the contamination, the upkeep, energy, energy usage of the unit running 24/7. So there's some disadvantages here. The advantages are they're robust, they can handle shock load capabilities, and etc. So again, how can you get the benefits while eliminating the challenges? Well, let me show you. So with our system, this is a hybrid actuator. It's a cutaway. So this is brought to you with Contronics. Basically, we have onboard reservoir, internal cylinder with rod, internal connections. So there's no external hoses, no external leaks associated with the hoses, no filters, no contamination points, as well as you have the easeability of servo control. So we would basically have a servo motor coupled to a gear pump, moves fluid in either direction to extend and retract the rod. With our system, you also have a pressure sensor to calculate force control, as well as you would have an LVDT position sensor to calculate the position. So now you know where the end of the rod is. Our system is all closed loop, close feedback. So if you're interested in learning more, feel free to contact us at contronics.com. Thank you.